What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So today we'll be doing my first competition / giveaway. Let's do this. Alright guys, so those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know that I recently went out and bought a whole stack of Milwaukee tools. I've been gradually switching over my platform over to Milwaukee, and I recently made an awesome purchase, probably the best deal that I've ever come across. I saved 60% off the recommended retail value of all the tools that I bought on that day. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did that, you can check out my recent video, which will be up here somewhere or down in the description. There'll be a link and you guys can check that out. Part of that purchase, I got a few bonus buys. Number one, we've got here the Packout storage tote, which is an awesome little storage compartment, and it's part of the Packout range, meaning you've got an interlocking system that you can lock on other storage compartments. Pretty awesome little tool. For me, my storage uses are pretty much all tied in with my backpack. So I use my backpack for pretty much all my storage for the majority of my hand tools. So for me, I'm not going to have as much use for this one here. Number two, we've got the Milwaukee M18 Gen 3 fuel impact driver. So we've got the 1/4 inch version here. Nice little impact driver. Once again, I don't have much use for this one simply because I've bought the exact same one probably about 3 months ago, and I've been very happy with it since. So what I decided to do, initially I was going to keep these as a backup, or I thought I might sell them on eBay or Gumtree or wherever else and try and get some money out of it. But I've got a better idea. What I'm going to do is give back to you guys for all the support that you guys have given me over the past couple of years that I've been doing these videos. The whole purpose of my channel is to simply help people out there to do things themselves. So whether you don't have the confidence, the skill, the knowledge, that's what I'm here for, just to help you guys out, save a bit of money and build up that confidence so you can do some of the things around the house yourselves. So that's kind of my aim here. So what I've decided to do is do a little competition where you guys are going to help me, help you guys. So I'll tell you guys exactly what's going to happen. Basically, it's very, very straightforward. Number one, like and subscribe to the channel, which hopefully you guys are doing anyway. Number two, the comments. I want you guys to put in the comment section below what you would like to learn how to do in or around your house. It's pretty straightforward. Any of the how-to videos that you can't seem to find online, or that you find and there's not enough detail or information in it, put it down below and I'll be happy to try and do those videos to help you guys out. That way you guys are going to steer me in the right direction, and hopefully I'll be able to provide some relevant content for you guys. So a couple rules. Basically, I just don't want to see doubles. If somebody says they want to learn how to replace a door, don't put the same thing down. Make sure you read through the comments, and we're not doing doubles. If I find a double in there, I'm just going to simply reply to that person and tell them this is an invalid entry, if I can get on top of it. And basically the comment with the most likes at the end is going to be the winner. So number one prize will be the impact. Number two prize will be the storage tote. And I'm going to be checking this. It'll be pretty much closed on the 20th of October at midday. So that's in Australian time. So here in Sydney, Australia, today is the 16th. So for a lot of you in different countries, you're one day behind us. That's right, we're in the future. But yeah, so basically it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's an opportunity for you guys to put some suggestions of any videos that you guys want to see, and for me to provide relevant content. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys, pretty straightforward. I've never won anything in my life personally, and the odds are actually pretty good to be able to win one of these prizes. So hopefully you guys are actually interested in these prizes. If the winner happens to be from Australia, these are the prizes I'll be getting. This one here is pretty much brand new. I've never even taken it out of this packaging here. This one here also brand new. If the winners are from a different country, I'll be organising some gift vouchers. So the reason for that is I don't want to waste too much money in shipping these items over to another country. I'm better off just organising some gift vouchers, whether you shop at Home Depot, Lowe's or wherever other local hardware store you guys have. We'll organise some gift vouchers. I'll put my email in the description below as well, so the winners will be notified in the upcoming video once we close off this competition, and that way they can get in contact with me through my email. Once we've done that, we'll just send it out. If you guys want to take a photo of whatever item gets sent out with a thumbs up, that'd be much appreciated. But guys, like I said, this channel is just to help you guys out, and it's helping me provide relevant content. Got it right that time. But yeah, so guys, as always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.